Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be filming a full day of eating for you guys, and you can probably hear it in my voice. I'm recovering from having the flu, or yeah, probably the flu. So excuse the nasally voice. I am feeling better, trying to get back on track with hitting my macros every day, and after like losing my appetite and certain things just not sounding very good. So I am hopeful that today's video will motivate you guys. I've recently been really focused on meeting my nutritional goals, like extremely. I actually am working with a macro coach for the first time in a very long time. That was just something that I wanted to do for myself, and it's been good for me to have someone else kind of offering feedback. So really good there. But today's video is sponsored by Belway, and like always, I have some awesome fiber supplements to share with you guys to make sure that you are getting your fiber in. My goal every day with my macro coach is 25 grams or above, and thankfully I am hitting that. But if you guys struggle with hitting fiber, or you just need to increase it, I cannot recommend Belway enough. A few months ago, one of my kids was ended up going to a chiropractor, and one of the first things that they recommended was increasing fiber in their diet. So they've been taking Belway, and it's really helped them as well. I know many of you through the years have also tried it and have been just blown away at the benefits of taking a fiber supplement regularly. So I'm going to share more about Belway with you guys. I'm just going to bring you along, show you what I'm eating today, and just for the sake of fun, I will put my ending macro numbers at the end of this video to show you what I am eating and the amounts that I am eating. These numbers, my coach actually is the one that adjusts them, not me right now, and that's been a nice thing to offload onto someone else. So I hope you guys enjoy seeing what I eat today. It's probably a little more than you've seen in past videos because she has me eating a lot more than I was in certain areas, and I'm not mad about it. My body is responding, so that's good. So this right here is Belway's newest product. This is their super fiber capsule. As you guys can see, they are organic. So this is organic psyllium husk fiber. You get 160 capsules in here. They're gluten-free, 100% vegan, non-GMO, and they give you all the benefits of a fiber supplement. But if this is for someone, if you prefer to take a capsule over drinking a powder, although Belway's fiber powder mixes better than any other brand, some people just prefer the convenience of a capsule. So Belway has this to offer you guys. This is my teen's favorite way to take fiber, just because it's quick and simple. So on the back, you guys can see the ingredient label right here. It's just organic organic rice hulls that make up the capsule, and you're just literally taking just fiber. So Belway has this. The next Belway product that is an absolute must for me are these convenient little sticks. These ones are the flavor raspberry lemon, but these are great for traveling, which we do so often. Traveling can really knock you off your eating game, and so making sure you're getting fiber as you travel just helps everything feel normal and your best. This is my favorite flavor from Belway ever. I've tried them all. I love the raspberry lemon one, and your whole serving is just right in this capsule, or in these sticks, which makes it very easy to pour into your water and drink. And last but definitely not least is Belway's Super Fiber Plus Fruit in the flavor raspberry lemon. There's no added sugars, no dyes, gluten-free and vegan. This is the fiber and all the good stuff, none of the bad stuff. Taking fiber helps your gut health. It helps you use the bathroom regularly. You will experience less bloating, better blood sugar levels, improved heart health, and feel full. So Belway fiber is the way to go if you guys are feeling bloated and heavy. taking fiber can really help with that. It can be as simple as adding more fiber to your diet. So I love Belway. We've been drinking it for years, and it's so good. It mixes so well. I definitely think that you should mix it and drink it right away. It's not something I sip on, but we absolutely love Belway in our house. And I say we now because I have a few of my kids taking fiber with me as well. So if you guys want to check out any of Belway's products, I will have a link and a 20% off discount code for you guys down below. But you guys should also stay tuned because Belway is going to be releasing a new product here very soon. I hope to share it with you guys next month that I am super excited about, very excited about. So be on the lookout for that next month. But yeah, I'm really excited about the new product that Belway is releasing. You can also find Belway on Amazon and in some of your favorite retailers, but you won't be able to use my discount code there. So if you want to save 20% on your order, you know how to find the link and the coupon code down below. So thank you so much, Belway, for keeping everyone healthy and happy and less bloated and long hair, healthy nails, healthy hearts, all of the above. We are getting ready to head out for a little homeschool park meetup. So I am bringing some snacks with me, this Orgain protein shake and a That's It bar, and then my water. Something, when you have a cold, sometimes water tastes disgusting, so I put in the liquid IV immune support drink in there. So I'm going to try to drink all that before we get back. Well, apparently hunger got the best of me because I completely ate my lunch without showing you guys what it was. But I made one of these original pizzas, the Kroger pre-made crust, and I made it, you know, as macro friendly as I could with my cheese, my sauce, and then the pepperoni I put on top and some jalapenos. So that is what I had for lunch, and that is one of the reasons why I love counting macros, because I can have something that ordinarily, you know, people would be like, oh, you can't eat that if you want to be healthy, but nothing wrong with having a semi-homemade small pizza for lunch. And then I had this organic baby spring mix, and I entered it all in to my Fitness Pal, which I'll show you guys. So some people who track macros like to do this at the end of the day. I like to do it as I go. Some days I'll pre-enter, but today I'm not doing that. So you can see here my whole lunch is listed out, from the cheese to the pepperoni to the sauce I use to the jalapeno peppers to the crust, and then I need to add in the mixed greens. So 3 cups of mixed greens, and then this I paid for the upgrade, so it subtracts my protein and my carbs for me. So I used up all my fat because obviously cheese and pepperoni has a decent amount of fat in it, plus I had avocado this morning. So I have 66 grams of protein left and 61 carbs left, which I will use up for dinner. So that is where I'm at for today. But like I said, some nights, if I know what I'm going to be eating the next day, I'll just enter it and save myself the time. Other times I kind of enter as I go and make adjustments, but everyone has to figure out what works for them to, you know, reach their goals. But this has been really good, and I'm really glad that I paid for the upgrade on my Fitness Pal. Afternoon snack time, I'm gonna have my protein bar. I grab these at Costco time to time, and I really like them. And then I also picked up an iced Americano. So if you guys want a pumpkin flavored drink that is not super strong and is also not a ton of calories, I just get an iced Americano with 1 pump of pumpkin and a splash of half and half, and there's like no calories, so super macro friendly, only like 7 carbs for the pumpkin sauce, and then the protein bar to go with it. Okay, so tonight for dinner, I am making a super easy, really healthy, yummy fall soup. I'm sure you guys all make it, but just in case, it's chicken and wild rice soup. So in this pot, I heat some avocado oil and some fresh minced garlic until it was, you know, sizzling. Then I added about a whole chopped white onion, about 6 stalks of celery, and a bunch of shredded carrots. I'm gonna let that cook down a little bit. Over here, ignore all that. Over here, I put in some chicken breast that I just boiled. So that's a super easy way to make chicken for soups and different things is I just boil it for about an hour until it's cooked, and then I put it in my KitchenAid and it shreds it up so well. A great consistency for soups or chicken salad. I added some of this seasoning to the chicken. So I'm gonna, once that cooks down a little bit, I'm going to add in the chicken. Then I'm gonna do, to really boost the protein, I'm gonna do 2, I believe, yes, these are full quarts of the organic chicken bone broth. And then I'm gonna add 1 bag of wild blend wild rice. Now normally I would add mushrooms, but my store was out of mushrooms. So, and then I'll just add a little black pepper to the top and maybe some parsley and call it good. So it's a really easy soup that you can throw together in the fall or winter in about an hour, and that's about how long it takes for the rice to kind of get soft from simmering. But it's really, really good and we love it. You can also make it cream based. So you could do bone broth and then at the end you could add in some shredded cheese and maybe some heavy cream to give it a creamy taste. I have done that before, but since I used up all my fats, I'm wanting to keep it, you know, no fat in there. So that is what we are having for dinner. That's what I'm gonna have, just a big bowl of that, and it sounds really good, especially, as I told you at the beginning, recovering from a cold. So once the bone broth, the chicken, and all the veggies and seasonings are to a rolling boil, then you're gonna go ahead and add your rice. I do about 3 cups. And then I'll put the lid on and let it simmer for about 45 minutes, and then it is all done. Super easy and delicious. So that is going to be it, you guys, for this full day of eating. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day and just seeing how I'm feeling in my macros these days with them being a little bit higher. Definitely was a learning curve. Eating, you know, like a really large breakfast, something more substantial for lunch, and I'm just feeling really, really good where I'm at. So I'm really happy with the numbers that I'm at. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out the links to Belway down below and save yourself 20% with my coupon ASHLEE20. Give me a thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel. Let me know if you want to see any other fitness or food content, what things you enjoy as far as that little genre goes. Let me know on my channel, because I'd like to do more of that this fall. So leave me a comment and I will see you guys again really soon. Bye, friends.